Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. This house here behind me is based on our Elevate 130, and if you know our homes then you may notice that the roofline on this one is slightly different to what we'd normally offer. Our usual offering is a box barn or tilt roofline, but our clients really wanted a mono-pitch profile, so we obliged. In order to accommodate the higher elevation on this front face here, we've actually increased the height of the windows, these overall stacker doors, just to give a better sense of balance and proportion. So the interior of the home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a galley kitchen with walk-in pantry and a full-size laundry. The added beauty of this home is that it's also for sale and it's available for delivery now. So a really good opportunity perhaps for house hunters that are looking for a home straight away. So we'll go in now and have a look. Okay, we're here in the main living area. The Scandi inspired decor is really lovely. It gives a light, bright and airy feel to this room. The soaring ceiling above us and these extra height doors here also give a really lovely sense of space and bring a lot of light into this main area as well. We've staged this home just with some simple furniture, just to give you an idea of the sense of space and what you can fit into this home. We've got a 3-seater sofa, 2-seater sofa, coffee table here, and as you can see we've got a lot of space there as well that you could add occasional chairs or other pieces of furniture. The dining table over here in the dining area is it's a 6-seater, quite a small one, but often we'll stage this area with an 8 or even 10-seater dining table, and as you can see there's plenty of space there for that as well. A few other things to note in this room, we've got the high wall heat pump over here, which is good for you, provides heat and cool for the whole home. We've got window treatments as well throughout the home, so on every door and window we've got either these blackout blinds here, or over here we've got these beautiful sheer curtains that are over most of the big doors or big windows, so that has a really lovely gauzy effect and has a really nice diffusing sort of light. So that's the sheer curtains, and then behind that we've also got the blackout curtains as well. So that's that side. One other last thing to look at over here is the inbuilt entertainment unit. We have a large sort of TV recess there that can fit most size televisions. We've got overcupboards, undercupboards, and in the corner there we've just got the open shelving, which you can display all your lovely knickknacks. So that's the main living area. We'll go now and have a look at the kitchen and the walk-in pantry. This kitchen is very fresh and contemporary, but also has a timelessness that comes from using this white and light timber. The overall layout is based very closely on our 130 layout. It has the engineered stone bench top. The extra bit here is the waterfall ends. Over on this side here we've got the Blum soft close drawers there, the over cupboards above the hob, and then we also have the standard Bosch appliances that we usually would have in the home, which is the hob, the range hood and the oven over here. The house does have extra appliances though that actually come with the home if you purchase it. So we have a Fisher & Paykel fridge freezer down the end. We've got the Panasonic microwave here, Panasonic, microwave with trim kit, and then we've also got a Bosch dishwasher as well, which will come with the home. The other fun feature of this kitchen is the door here that hides away a walk-in pantry. So come on down and have a look at that. Go on in there, actually, poke your nose in. We've used the same engineered stone and the two-tone effect cabinetry that we've used in the main kitchen, just to tie it all together. So it's a really lovely, practical, but quite smart looking space. Right, come back out of there. So we've done the kitchen and the pantry, so we'll go now behind me here, around the corner, to have a look at the main bathroom and the guest bedroom. Okay, so come on down the short passageway here into the main bathroom. We've continued on the Scandinavian feel in here with this 1.2 metre vanity in the birch ply that we saw in the kitchen. We've also got this beautiful, ever popular LED surround mirror, one of my favourites because it sort of casts a glow on the wall behind it, which is a very nice effect. In the corner here we have the frameless glass shower, 1 by 1 metre, with the European chrome fittings, and then we've got the towel rail also in chrome on that wall there, and then lastly we've got the soft close toilet in the corner. So that's it, lovely sort of simple clean bathroom and quite a roomy feel as well. So we'll head down the end of the hallway here into one of the guest bedrooms here. As I mentioned earlier, we've got these really tall windows on this side of the building, and we've got the highlight window above that wall there. So it just adds a lot of light, as you can see. I might actually just close this curtain. So the curtains in here are the same as what we saw in the main living area, the shears, and then you've also got the block out blinds behind it. Likewise, above the highlight windows, you've got those block out blinds that we saw as well. The other thing that comes with all 3 bedrooms in this home is the floor to ceiling wardrobes, and they're all fitted out with a shelf and rail in there as well. So that is this bedroom. We'll go now through that wall, won't go through the wall, go around, but on the other side of the wall is the 3rd bedroom. Okay, so we're on the opposite side of the house now in the hallway beside the scullery. As you come down into this hallway, you'll notice that we've got an internal window here which opens into the scullery, which is directly opposite the external window here, just to allow some light into that internal space. But to come on down the end of the hallway here into the 3rd guest bedroom in here, it's very much the same as the one we've just come from. The only real difference is that the window on this side of the house is much smaller, just because it's on the lower side. So that's pretty much the 2 guest bedrooms that we've just seen. We'll go now to the other end of the house, have a look at the master bedroom, the ensuite and the laundry. Okay, I'm here next to the entertainment unit. Now usually this door here would house a small laundry, but this house has had a little bit of a layout change, so if you wanted to come on down and have a look. We've changed it to accommodate this back door here, and then a much larger laundry, if you wanted to go and have a look at that. The laundry comes with this a lot of open shelving, a cupboard above and below, a sink, very good sink with a high-rise tap, and then we've also got in that laundry a Fisher & Paykel washing machine and dryer, which also will come with the house. The other layout change in here is the dual access to the ensuite. Usually you'd have one point of access going through the master bedroom, but we've added this cavity slider here to give you access from this side as well. The other thing to note, actually, all the cavity sliders in this house are soft close and sound deadening as well. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to have a look at the ensuite now. Okay, so the ensuite has the same bathroomware and fittings as we saw in the main bathroom, with the same size vanity and shower and that lovely LED surround mirror there as well. The toilet, same toilet as was in the main bathroom, soft close seat, is behind this privacy wall. So that is the ensuite. We'll come out through this door into the main master bedroom. So we've staged this room with a queen size bed and 2 bedside tables, just to give you an idea of the room that we have here. It's lovely and spacious, lots of space to be able to walk around the bed and space between the bed and the bedside tables. So the other thing to note in this bedroom is that we usually have a walk-in wardrobe beside the ensuite, but because we've got that extra big laundry, we've taken the space of the walk-in wardrobe for that. So in place of that walk-in wardrobe, we've got the floor-to-ceiling wardrobes here with that same shelf and rail fit-out that you saw in the other bedrooms. The other thing to note, the window setup is the same in here as well, with these large sliding windows. Sorry, let me close the curtains because it's quite sunny. So we've got the blackout ones there, and then we've got the shears as well. So that big, tall sliding window is in this bedroom as well, and then we've got the highlight windows behind the bed. So that ends the tour of this beautiful home. As I said earlier, it actually is for sale and it's ready for delivery now. So if you're interested in finding out more about the home itself or more about the purchase, we have a specific web page that lists the price, floor plan and specifications. So either have a look at our website or feel free to give us a call. We'd love to show you through the home as well. So thanks very much for listening, and bye for now.